pickup truck and my old guitar, strumming tunes neath the evening star. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. Fields of gold and corn so high beneath that Oklahoma sky, cowboys riding hats held high as the moon starts to rise. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. From Nashville to Austin, down to Louisiana Bayou, country roads and honky-tonks where my heart is true. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. Fires above, campfires glow in this country life I know. Back roads and sunsets where my soul finds rest. Fields of gold and corn so high beneath that Oklahoma sky, cowboys riding hats held high as the moon starts to rise. Back roads and sunsets where my soul finds rest. Back roads and sunsets. Back roads and sunsets.